Hi friends, I am talking about व्यापम स्कैम। व्यापम स्कैम हम सब जानते हैं, मध्य प्रदेश का सबसे बड़ा स्कैम। भर्ती घोटाला, भर्ती नौकरियों के लिए नहीं, भर्ती MBBS डॉक्टर्स और MSMD करने के लिए। व्यापम स्कैम, सुप्रीम कोर्ट कैंसल्स डिग्रीज ऑफ 634 डॉक्टर्स, cannot allow mass fraud to triumph, Chief Justice of India says. Coming down hard on corruption in MBBS admissions in Madhya Pradesh between 2008 and 2012, the Supreme Court cancelled the degrees of 634 doctors on Monday and said admissions obtained through a mass fraud called Vyapam scam could not be condoned. The actions of the appellants are founded on unacceptable behavior and in complete breach of rule of law. Their actions constitute acts of deceit. National character, in our considered view, cannot be sacrificed for benefits. Individual or societal, a bench of Chief Justice J.S. Keir and Justice Kurian Joseph and Arun Mishra said in an 83-page judgment. If we desire to build a nation on the touchstone of ethics and character, and if our determined goal is to build a nation where only rule of law prevails, then we cannot accept the claim of the appellants for suggested societal gains by allowing them to keep the degrees on the condition of doing social service free of cost for some years. Writing the unanimous judgment, Justice Kerr said, "We have no difficulty in concluding in favor of rule of law. Fraud cannot be allowed to trounce on the stratagem of public good." The rest is continued. It's a very remarkable judgment. Cancelling the degrees of 634 doctors is not a small job or a cakewalk. Congratulations to Supreme Court, and today we are really feeling proud of the Supreme Court for controlling the corruption which the government has failed to do so far. Now I will further highlight the extent of investigation, and this is one published on February 13. The earlier was one article from February 14, 2017. Now, the probe progress. In search of 300 impersonators of PMT and pre-PG medical entrance test in MP, CBI creates a database of 9.5 lakh aspirants from 6 states over 6-month period. So this is the extent of investigation done by the CBI. The CBI physically checked the records of his students of medical colleges and coaching institutes from MP, UP, Delhi, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Bihar. Using advanced forensic tools, CBI finds 121 impersonators out of 300. 73 already joined investigations. Agency has traced 523 suspects impersonators in MP Vyapam scam. Till Jan 2017, 251 suspects have joined probe. 170 cases have been registered by CBI in Vyapam scam. Out of these, CBI has filed charge sheets, final reports in 74 cases, while probe is pending in 96 cases. Apart from the medical entrance test scandal, the CBI has been able to trace 402 other suspects in various other cases related to Vyapam scam whose roles had not come to light in the Madhya Pradesh police probe. So there was a lot of मध्य प्रदेश में इन्वेस्टिगेशन की पुलिस ने कोऑपरेट ज़्यादा नहीं किया. अल्टीमेटली सीबीआई को ही इसमें वो करना पड़ा. Hundreds of applications had appeared for the pre-medical test between 2009 and 2010. उसी में सब ये गड़बड़ हुई थी. There were allegations of massive corruption. According to sources, CBI teams approached hundreds of medical colleges and medical coaching institutes in 6 states. Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Bihar. CBI SOC said that while addresses of 121 suspects were traced and they were asked to join the probe for the last few months, 73 had already appeared before the agency for questioning and 20 were served notice. The selection of hundreds of bogus doctors in MP has threatened the very legitimacy of the selection process. So, and now I'll read for you what is written on